Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I wanted to do a quick video this evening. I'm filming this actually pretty late at like 7:30 at night. So I'm trying to take advantage of the daylight, but I wanted to film a video on this 31 casual cargo bag. The print is in stepping stones, which I love. It's like a gray, different tones of gray print. It kind of reminds me of like a honeycomb type of vibe, but I love this bag. I have been using it for a little over a month. I took it camping. I use it as like an everyday work bag. I even use it as like a handbag. I just really love it. In literally the past month, I think I have only not used it twice because I switched bags to match like an outfit or something. But yeah, I love this. It's a canvas bag and I'm really obsessed with this print. I've been using it every single day for work. So I want to show you how I have it packed up for work, because that's what I always pack this bag up every morning before I head out, and I love it. So first off, it's a canvas bag, so it's a canvas material. It has a zipper closure that runs the whole top, and there are shorter handles here, and there is an adjustable crossbody strap as well. In the front here, there are two little pockets. They just have a little like magnetic snap. I just have some random cough drops in this one and nothing in this one, but sometimes like I'll throw a lip gloss or a chapstick in here. It's got no side pockets, however it does have the option. You can snap it, which I have it snapped, or you can leave it unsnapped. So I kind of alternate. Sometimes I'll unsnap it and it'll kind of change the appearance of the bag just slightly, but normally I just keep it snapped. On the back, there is a cell phone pocket, so I always put my cell phone in there. It fits perfectly, even with a pop socket. I have a Galaxy S9. A friend of mine at work has the Galaxy Note, and hers actually fits right in here as well. So that's pretty much the exterior of the bag. I really like the little trim here and on here as well. Also, if you don't want to use, or you don't want the crossbody strap on, you can easily just detach it right here. I just keep mine on because I do actually carry a crossbody sometimes. So one thing I want to note before I show you what's inside is this bag is extremely comfortable to wear on your shoulder or crossbody. I don't know how it is because these are not like padded or anything. There's no like shoulder strap. But for some reason, this is such a comfortable bag, at least for me, to wear on my shoulder with just these canvas straps. So every single morning when I work, I pack it up the same exact way. It actually holds a lot more than you would think. So the first thing I do in the morning is I pack my lunch for work. And this is the lunch bag that I'm currently using. It's also a 31 brand lunch bag. I've showed this in a few of my what's for lunch videos. This thing is huge. It holds a ton. I just have random stuff in here now to give it a little bit of shape, but even when it's packed up more than this, it still fits in here with all the other things that I need for the day. So I've got my lunch bag in there, which is a good size. I've got my full-size planner. I got this at Walmart. The brand is See It Bigger. And I love this planner. So every month has like a little calendar, and then it goes into your monthly spread. So I pretty much take this with me every single day, just so I'm on track for the day. I know what I need to do, what my appointments my son has, if I have appointments, work meetings, things like that. So I always keep this in there, and this is full size. It's a large planner. I also keep in here my 31 All About the Benjamins wallet. I love this wallet. I'm probably going to do a full review on this wallet or another. I have a couple of these exact wallets just in different prints. So eventually I'll do like a video on all the wallets I have in this style and, you know, the features of it. But this is a large full-size zip around wallet, and then I just have a wrist strap because sometimes I just grab this out put it on my wrist. If I need to run to the store after work, which I do quite often, I have everything I need in here. This even can hold my cell phone. So you guys will see a video on this wallet in the near-ish future. The next thing I bring to work every day is my iPad. This is an iPad Air 2, I think, or Air 3. I'm not sure, but it's large. This is a like 9 or 10 inch screen. It's pretty large, so I throw that in there because I use that for work as well. I also have another 31 pouch in here. This is called the Ruby Mini, and I also have a wrist strap attached. And I keep a lot of like coupons and random papers and stuff in here. Sometimes if I have a few like paychecks or regular checks or cash or something to deposit at the bank, I'll throw it in here and then just go right to the bank, and I have my deposit slip and my cash and my checks in here. I can just use that as like a little kind of errand little pouch bag. I also have my keys in here. I've talked about this product before. I think I showed this in my pool bag video, as well as a couple other videos. But this is the Scout brand little ID case. I just have my driver's license in here, and obviously my keys and my little Aldi thing. But I love this. I have this linked on my Amazon store down below. I know a lot of you guys love this when I showed it in my pool bag video and purchased it. I'm actually going to purchase a handful of these in different prints for Christmas gifts because I'm going to put a little gift card in there. I always have some kind of hand wipe with me. I do a lot of eating in my car, eating on the go. And I always like to have wipes so I can clean my hands if they're gross or if I spill something. And let me just take my phone out of here. So yeah, guys, all this stuff fits into this bag. Inside of the bag, on the back, there is this zippered pocket here. This is actually a thermal compartment. So in here is completely thermal lined. I have put bottles of cold water in there, or, you know, cold drinks or whatever the case is, maybe for my son or me if we have therapy, if my son has therapy or we have some kind of an appointment. I've put cold things in here. I've put cold fruit like apples and stuff in here, and it stays cold. I mean, it's not ice cold, but you can actually put like an ice pack in here. But all the water and stuff, I've always never had a problem with it being like warm, even if this bag was sitting in my vehicle. And then it's a big open space, and there is a little elastic pocket here, which I currently have nothing in. And on the other side, there is another interior elastic pocket, and I just have some hand sanitizer in here. This is just the Honest Orange hand sanitizer. And that's everything. It folds up really small when you're not using it. Folds nice and flat like that so it can store away easily. But I have no intent on storing this. I have only intent on continuing to use it. I love this bag. I am a 31 consultant. I know most of you guys know that. So if you are looking for a good work bag, a good everyday bag, even a diaper bag, I know a lot of moms use this as diaper bags, even for older kids. And again, a working mom, this would be a great bag. It can clearly hold everything you need. If there is maybe a day where I have to bring additional items, then I will just carry my lunch bag separately. It has these handles. So there have been a couple instances where I had to bring other things to work. So again, just carried the thermal tote separately. So yeah, I love it. I am super happy that I have it. I love the print. I love the simplicity of it. And most of all, I like that it's so comfortable to wear on my shoulder. It's so comfortable to throw this crossbody strap over my body, which I do all the time, especially when I'm carrying other things and I need to be sort of hands-free or have more hands open to carry other things. I really love it. If you want, join my Facebook 31 group. All of the fall items are coming out September 1st, so you can shop my fall launch party. I have so many more 31 videos coming. I've got a couple other 31 products here because I'm using them to organize different things. I'm obsessed with this. It's the zip top organizing utility tote. I've currently got like all my son's some of my son's back to school supplies in here. I've got I love it, guys. You're gonna see many more videos from about 31 products that I'm using and how I use them and things like that. I like doing these bag reviews and different product reviews. That's how I originally started my channel years ago, and it's something I still enjoy doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions on this bag, it does come in other prints, so if you are looking to order or maybe gift it for the holidays, you can get it personalized right here if you want. I personally just opted for it plain because I really like the print. Definitely just comment, let me know. Join my Facebook 31 group if you're looking to start gifting for the holidays and getting ideas, if you want to see the fall prints. If you've already ordered from me, you're already on my mailing list because I'm going to be sending you out the fall full catalog. I just ordered them. We, as 31 consultants, we have to pay for our own supplies and catalogs. So I used my own money. I ordered the catalogs for fall, and I have you all on my mailing list who have already ordered from me previously to receive that catalog in the mail. I would say towards the end of this month. So you'll have it before the 1st to be able to check everything out and then place your order. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.